kungaba sekutheni ku-Instacash ngibuka the way lesekumodified ngayo. Ungaba nje kucela kakhulu more especially kusuka kuma-nangana, kuma-executive members ema-region because it's where the strength is. Lokutaka khona ukuthi kwehlele nalena kuma-zones. And lokumcoka kakhulu siwendela ama-games abe violent free. Because once sakwenda lokho kutawusita lokho ukuthi even the partners lamanye lenwacelile abone kumcoka lokho ukuthi afake more incentives. Sisikubonile in the previous years as ukusho nje ngolokuthi sicale kuphi we with you until where we are now. So we are here to support, we are here to the partnership. Kube kuyangathi vele ngabe sekune kubhala phansi ukuthi asifunde kwehlukana na Instacash. But on the same time asiwachubeke lama ngawuthini lama services lenawo nawo singabukeki nje ukuthi siyadlala. Let's make sure ukuthi lama services lenawo because le mandate lenkulu kakhulu for le partnership yethu ukuthi lama services lenawo akhona kusita eMaswati. So lokho nje siyakucela nje kakhulu lokho ukuthi usibambise kakhulu kuma social sinibonile nakhona siyethemba lokho ukuthi nanyalo ukuthi awusebenzeka kahle. We do appreciate kakhulu. Sengiyabuka nje mina ukuthi nase ngile final sengigcoke konke. Hey, no gesutha kakhulu this time.